The harsh part is most creators spend more time creating thumbnails for their YouTube videos than they do creating content. Let's be honest, thumbnails suck to make. You waste 20 minutes staring at your video wondering, is this the right frame? Is this text placed right? Is the message coming across? You jump from software to software, dragging a few images, slapping on text, and it still looks mid. Worst part? The thumbnail decides 70% of your video's success. That's why I'm here to tell you about the game-changing thumbnail generator Autodraft AI has just launched. Now you can create eye-catching, high-converting thumbnails with just a text prompt and style selection. One click, one perfect thumbnail. Let me quickly show you how. Let's start by importing the background image that I want to use for the thumbnail, whatever represents the tone and context of the video. Next, I'll add my characters onto the background. I make sure to choose PNG images, characters without any background, so I can place and adjust them freely on the thumbnail. Now, I click on the frame options, then go to the third tab, which is called AI Thumbnail. You'll see a frame appear on the left side. Here, I just write a simple English prompt. Give the thumbnail a title and choose the default style generation. And click Generate Thumbnail. Within seconds, boom! My baby shark thumbnail is ready. Now, since this is a tutorial, we're going to repeat the same process, but with a new thumbnail, still based on the baby theme. Just like before, I'm importing a background and some characters for this thumbnail, but you don't have to. You can simply stop at any frame from your video, use that as your keyframe, and then jump straight to AI Thumbnail from the frame options. Here, I'll add a prompt describing what I want my characters to do and how I want them to appear. I'll also type in a title. And click Generate Thumbnail. And that's it. My fun time video thumbnail is ready. Let's try something different, the moral stories style. I know a lot of you love making animated moral stories, so here's how we do that. Again, I start by selecting a background, placing my characters, a girl, some animals, and let's add a peacock as well. This just shows how flexible the tool is across different video styles. Now I click AI Thumbnail. Write my prompt and title. And choose the moral style generation. And give the thumbnail a title. And click Generate Thumbnail. And there we go. The Little Princess video thumbnail is ready. Now let's do another example. This time using the classic rabbit and the tortoise story. I start by selecting a background. I'll position the characters just how I want them on the thumbnail. Then the same steps. Click AI Thumbnail. Enter your prompt and title. And click Generate Thumbnail. See how quick and consistent it is? You still get full creative control. You choose the character expressions, the layout, and the title. This time, I'll select a video scene. Now here comes one of my favorite styles, the horror story animation thumbnail. All you need is your background, some spooky ghosts, and your characters with exaggerated horror expressions. Click AI Thumbnail, write your scariest prompt, and choose the horror style generation. And give the thumbnail a title, and generate. And wow, the result is just as terrifying as your story. I love this style so much, let's do one more. Again, I'll select a video scene, pick a keyframe, and repeat the same steps. Prompt, title, and generate. Click AI Thumbnail, write your scariest prompt, and give the thumbnail a title, and choose the horror style generation, and generate. You'll see how it instantly dramatizes the scene, makes it visually intense, and grabs attention instantly. We have just a few more styles to explore. Next up, a kid's storytelling video. This one's a gentle, dreamy theme. I'll choose the kids feature and generate the thumbnail. Then the same steps. Click AI Thumbnail. Here, I'll add a prompt and choose the kid style generation. And give the thumbnail a title and click Generate Thumbnail. Look at the result. So soft, colorful, and perfect for a welcome to dreamland kind of story. Let's do one more in this kid's animation style. Now, I know many of you love making these. This tool is a huge time saver. What used to take 30 to 45 minutes can now be done in under 5 minutes, even 5 minutes with slow internet. Then the same steps. Click AI Thumbnail. I'll type my prompt, add a title, and choose the kid style generation. Hit Generate. And just like that, my thumbnail is done. Ready to be uploaded to YouTube along with the video. So there you have it. Autodraft AI's thumbnail generator is ready to transform your YouTube game. No more endless editing sessions or settling for thumbnails that don't convert. If you're tired of your great content being overlooked because of mediocre thumbnails, the solution is just one click away. Ready to see it in action? Drop your video links and prompt ideas in the comments below, and we'll create a custom thumbnail for 3 lucky creators absolutely free. Consider it our way of proving just how powerful this tool really is. Because when your thumbnail stops viewers in their tracks, your content finally gets the attention it deserves. Like, share, subscribe.